welcome to Martin's Tinkering Workshop, and today I'm going to continue working on the heat shield for the exhaust. This is future me. I've already done it up to where I'm going to go with it with the primer, and so in this video I'm going to continue sanding it down and painting it, as you'll see shortly. The filler seems to be drying okay. It's come along. I'll have to sand that down shortly and see what how much more I've got to put on. So I've got this piece all cleaned up now. So it's going to go there, like so. And I'll take a corner off. A little bit thicker than the other stuff that's on there, but that's sort of all I got, so hopefully that'll be alright. I want to tap that a little bit with a dent. Now I've put all the filler on there. Right, let's take that corner off a minute. Right, that's the corner taken off now. I need to drill my holes now for the plate. I'll line up that plate with this plate, and then hopefully that'll be about right. Alright, I'm still going to drill out these holes now. Two are fairly easy because I've got like a start already. It's just the other one's going to be difficult. Let's see how we go. Just going to plan to sink the holes a little bit. Not going to rivet them in yet. Just want to see. That's good. I need them with two holes for the That shouldn't be too bad. Just need to move this one over a little bit. Just typical my clamp is right there. I know where that one is. And I think this one's in the middle-ish. Up there, I think. I haven't drilled this in the right place or not. Because the hole's quite big. I don't know if you can see there, the hole has been done 2 or 3 times by the looks of it. So hopefully my red mark is in the right place. Alright. Here goes nothing. Smaller ones first, I think. I'm going all over the place there. Should have done the pilot hole, should know that. That should be done for me. There's a spot, hopefully it's right. That's in the right place. I'll do a test fit. So that fits okay, so that's good. So I've got the holes done, so all I need to do now is sand down the filler and see what it looks like from there. I've discovered what the dent was on the top. It's from the body where there's a bit of play. There's like a little nut or bolt head. That's what's been banged down on that. So that might happen again. Right, so that's that bit done. I'm happy with that, that's good. Right, see what I can do here. not turned out too bad. Probably best you don't look in there, it's a bit messy, but it's come along quite nicely there otherwise. High spot there, I think. I need something there. So I've got some filler on the bottom where they were still uneven. I think once I've done that, that'll have to be good enough, I reckon. There might be still a little bit of a funny shape there, but that's enough to do, I reckon. Might be alright once I sand it round. Don't feel too bad to me. Seems pretty smooth pretty much all the way around. I think by the time it's in position, I've got like a little piece there, but I don't think you'll see that. So it's just going to be there like that. I think that's good enough. Let's put some paint on this bit then. Right, so I'll have to leave that for a bit before I do any more. Right, that's what I'm doing on there for now. So I've put that heat shield back on. Now I need to rivet the plate on. If I put it on like that now, then put the bolts in loose, and I know that it's in about the right place. Right, that's that done. Tighten these up now. Right, that's that. That's done. Right, so that's that little job done. Don't think it looks too bad. Looks pretty good to me. Apart from the paint, obviously, because it's undercoat. I'm pretty happy with that. It was sort of done a little bit of a rush, but that's it. So for inside this heat shield, I've brought some VHT black, which is high temperature paint for the inside of this. So I'm going to do a little light coat, and I need to do another coat in about half an hour or so. Right, that'll do for now. I'll leave it for half an hour, then I'll do another coat. It's inside this heat shield, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like, if I'm honest. Right, come back with that in half an hour. Okay, let's give it another coat now. Right, I think that's enough paint. That's it. Well, like I said, it doesn't really matter what it looks like, so I'll let that dry, and then I'll be done. I do want to do another coat on this side. You can still see the bits that I've done. I want to try and cover it up a bit more if I can. So that's what I'm going to try and do next. So that's the heat shield dry then. I think that looks better than what it was, but hopefully I'll preserve it a bit more as well, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. So that's that bit done. I'm quite happy with that. Right, I'm now going to put a bit more paint on here now. Sort of all the way around really. Around this area primarily. Around here, around there, around there, and around here. Pretty much all of it really. I'm not too worried about, it's not perfect, I know, I'm not too worried about that. I think that's the best I could do really with the time I had, which was not a lot. I'll have to go over that again. So I've got this resprayed with the primer now. It looks better now. I'm happy with that. You can still see the patch there, but it's not as noticeable as it was. So I think that's good enough. That'd be okay, that'd do nicely. Also, while I was here, I'm only here for a short time today, I've refinished this headlight because I wasn't quite happy where it was. So it looks a bit clearer now. Not perfect, but it's definitely better than what it was. Also, I gave us another coat of spray, so that's it's all done for now. It's not, like I say, it's only for rough coat for now, just to make it look a bit better and protect it a bit, because it was bare metal otherwise. So that's that. So I can refit that panel on there in a minute, which is part of the exhaust system. And I'll put another coat just on there quickly, just to make that look a little bit better. And I've done the same with this bit. I'm quite a bit happier with the finish on that. As before, there was like a line. It's pretty obvious. I think that's a bit better. Once it's painted in as well, I think that'd be alright. That's it back on the lorry. I think that looks very good to me. Certainly better than what it was before. I had to get some more primer because I'd run out. So before, all that there was rotted away, just a little bit left on the bottom, and on the side piece here there was a hole. Yeah, so it's certainly better. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.